We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how you can delete Apple Music. So in order to uninstall the Apple Music app from your iPhone, you will need to launch Settings, General, then go into iPhone Storage, find the Music app, open its information page, tap at the Delete App button, and delete the app here. On an Android phone, it will look something like that. Find the Apple Music shortcut, press and hold, add it, go into the app info page, and then uninstall this app like that. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.